Hello and welcome back to SpiritLifter, where today we're covering our strongest beverage so far. Funny enough, it is distilled in a nation where one of its neighbors has outright banned distillation and brewing. Anise is a beloved flavor in liquors across the Mediterranean world. Greek ouzo, Turkish raki, and Jordanian arak are just a few examples of such spirits. The two largest distilleries in Jordan are based both just outside of the capital Amman. The parent organization, Yusuf M. Haddad Company and Partners, operates next door to a craft brewery in Fuhais, a town nestled in a picturesque valley. The daughter firm that makes the spirit featured today, though, is from Zarqa, produced just a short distance from the Royal Military Academies. Introduced in 1970, their gold label Arak is a grape-based distillate flavored with anise seeds. At 50% alcohol by volume, the clear appearance gives one the impression that there's little to do besides pour a glass. However, the drink truly comes to life with ice-cold water. Doing this changes the contents into a cloudy haze, as well as tempering some of the heat that comes from the liquid being half ethanol. A strong drink even after it is diluted. The flavor obviously is dominated by anise and licorice. It is refreshing on the palate, and after your first sip, the feeling as you exhale will make you think that your throat is covered in ice. This is a contrast to the warmth felt in the center of the chest. Like the Arabian desert, this spirit can warm one up. Just be sure not to slake your thirst with such a beverage should you ever venture into the sands. Thank you kindly for watching. The next refreshment will be a step back into something not quite as strong, but just as capable of being enjoyed, well, should certain flavors not bother you too much. Have a great weekend and... Bisahatikum.